Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Genome Study. In this video, we will try to present the large numeric data only in one figure through a beautiful color, that is heat map. How to prepare this heat map through TBTool? Let's start. First, you have a mean expression data of your gene. Like here, I have the expression data of my HSP7014 genes in different treatments like this ST standard temperature dim light in embryo, standard temperature high light in embryo, standard temperature dim light in endosperm, like this. And these are the expression of all these data, but it is in means from 3 replication I have taken their mean. Now you need to convert them in log to value because to normalize it, because here we see that it is the expression of this gene is 5.36 and here is 33,085. So it's a large difference between these two values. So to normalize them and to present them in a beautiful manner, first we need to convert them into log 2 value. So you need to copy this one, copy here, paste the gene name, copy and paste it. Now here in this cell you need to put the formula like is equal to log bracket. Now it is that number and then base. Here this one is a number, comma, and base is 2. We convert it log 2, so enter, so you get the log 2 value. Now for all, drag this into to convert them into log 2 values, then select these and drag down. So all these values, the expression values, are normalized into log 2 value. Now to remove the formula from these values, you need to copy and paste special and value. So here you need to remove the formula. Why we remove the formula? Because when we copy and paste it in another place, so its value will change. So if you want that the value remain the same, so you need to remove the formula. Now copy this expression data, open the TBTool, go to others, sorry, graph, Heatmap Illustrator, Heatmap, and remove this and paste your sequence and start. Now here you see the heat map. So now here you can make some changes in it, like you can change the font format of this row by clicking on it, and time is size, bold, whatever you want, or column, time. Here is the legend font, these are the legends. But remember that the font of all figures means same. Here is the width and height of this graph, like I want width about 400 and the height maybe 500, so here it will change. Now you can change other modification, like here if you need that this shape is not in the rectangular, it must be circle, so it will become circle. But when you press this scale size by area, means that these circles present according to their expression. If have the high expression, the circle is bigger. If the expression is lower, then the circle is smaller. So when you click on it, so these circles you can see change according to their expression level. So by a single view you can click that the expression of these genes are higher and while these are lower. So here you can change their angle that you think that is 90 is okay, but you can also change some other, like here you want that the legend is maximum 10 or 18 or like this. So 2 or here you can see 20, and like this you can change here from the color of this figure what you want, that what is the lowest show and what the show the maximum, and in this way you can change other settings of this graph. Then close, and if you need that you want that these names must be present in this side, so you need to drag them here, like you can change, yeah, you can drag them this way, and also you want these headings on top, so you can also change them like this way. You can now you can take these legend and place it near it, and now after making the complete setting of your graph, then you can save it into your destination with high resolution, like here desktop, genome, make study figures, and heat map expression, heat map TBTool, whatever you want to give the name, and save it. Now open your folder, find your figure and use it into your manuscript. This is our video that how to prepare the heat map through TBTool. Hopefully you will got the help from it. Thank you.